rendering different quizzes for different questions for different quizzes. What we'd like to be able to do is that drive the different types of quizzes. We like to render them differently, right? If you are a multiple choice question, we're going to render you one way, or another way if you are true/false questions, right? And we know that the type of the quiz is embedded inside of the quiz object, which we can display it, right? If we here when we render each one of the questions, right, we know that in addition to the title, we have the type of the question, right? And notice that indeed, right, it's adding that, it's that variable is available there, and we can use this to display either one component or another component based on that type. So to do that, we're going to head over to our terminal and create a couple of different components that will render one way or another. So we can do ng generate a component, and we'll call it, let's see, we have, what is it, true/false. So this will be a true/false question, and we'll also implement the multiple choice question. So we'll do ng generate component, and we'll call it the multiple choice question. Right, so now we're going to have two components, and we like to be able to decide to render one or the other. So for now, let's see if we can render them both. So here we have, we're going to bring in both. Here's the true/false question. There it is. Right, and also we have the multiple choice questions. Okay, so if we render that, notice that there they are. There's our multiple choice question, and right now, even though this is a multiple choice question, we're rendering both, and even though this is a true/false question, we're also rendering both. So what we'd like to be able to do is decide to render one or the other based on the value of that string. So let's see how we do that.